Lang na kumsi ko.
Vice Chancellor, will you?
This one is the next, Ukramon Nalini Gita Kumari Hamza. Next,
My appeal to the young people of Manipur is therefore, let the dark days of violence and conflict be left behind. Let a new dawn emerge. Let us move ahead with faith in our collective future. That Manipur University Students' Union, which was disbanded in 2009, is now being revived from the next academic session.